Okay, so today we're going to fly from JFK all the way to Singapore in Asia. Standard departure up the eastern seaboard, talking to Boston, VHF handed across to Moncton and then Gander. Last bit of radar coverage, oceanic crossing now, which is procedural, probably on a track. Gaps here where the satellite coverage has broken down. On HF, all the way across, 30 west, swap across to Shamwick control, and as we close up to Southern Ireland, back onto the radar and back on VHF, talking to London, then across to Maastricht, and then down through Central Europe towards Eurasia. You got the Black Sea here, coming down towards Georgia and the Caspian Sea, down the vicinity of the Stans, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, avoid Iranian airspace, and down towards Pakistan, again a bit procedural there, then crossing into Indian airspace where there's a little bit of procedural, and then top right hand corner of the Indian Ocean with Bangladesh, Myanmar, down over Malaysia, descent into Singapore, all done after 18 hours. What could be easier?